Hi, welcome to DearMaths. In this video, we will solve a beautiful nested log problem. So how we will solve the problem? So let's see. So yes, this expression is given and we need to find the value of x. So log of 3 base 9 log base 2 1 plus log base 3 1 plus 2 log x to the base 2, and that is equal to the 1 by 2. It is given, right? So either we can use, again we will use a formula, that is, we know if log by to the base a is equal to the b, so we can write it as by will become this base to the power a to the power b, right? So we can write it as, so it will become log base 9 to this expression equal to the 1 by 2. So we can write it as 3 log base 2 1 plus log base 3 1 plus 2 log base 2x, and that is equals to the, we can write it as 9 की power 1 by 2. Can we write it as by using this formula, right? Or we can also write it as like 1 by 2 times of log 9 to the base 9. It will become 1, so again it will 1 by 2. So either way we can write it as, since this power, this base is common on both sides, so we can write it as this also. Correct? Alright. So now this becomes 9 की power 1 by 2. It means square root of 9. So we can also write it as equal to the 3. So here we can write it as this 9 की power 1 by 2 equals to the 3. So we will get 3 times of log base 2 1 plus log base 3 1 plus 2 log base 2x, and that is equals to the 3. So again, if we divide both sides by 3, so here this will cancel out and this will cancel out. So we will get log 2 1 plus log of base 3 1 plus 2 log base 2x, and that is equal to the 1. So again, by using this formula, we can write it as 1 plus log of base 3 1 plus 2 log base 2x is equals to the, what we can write it as? We can write it as 2 की power 1, that is equals to the 2. So here log base 3 1 plus 2 log base 2 of x, it will become 2 minus 1 and we will get equal to the 1. So again we can write it as 1 plus 2 log x to the base 2 is equals to the 3 की power 1, that is equals to the 3. So we can say we will get 2 log x to the base 2 will equal to the 3. This one will go this side, minus 1 will equal to the 2. So we can say log of x to the base 2 is equals to the 1. Right? So this one can also be written as, either we can write it in form of base 2 or we can also write it as x is equals to the, by using this formula, again by using this formula, x is equals to the 2 to the power 1. So hence we will get x is equals to the 2 as our answer, and this will be our answer. So in this way we can solve the nested log problem.
If you like our videos, do like, share and subscribe to reach others. Thank you.